Hello friends! So today we're gonna make the table lamp. Using these pipes and rings of all the sizes. So let's keep them aside for now and let's get started. We're gonna take a big ring. And then we're gonna take the same color pipes. 5 of them. I'm gonna take the light green color. You can pick your own choice. And then we're gonna attach these pipes on this ring like this. You can press it on the ring. Let's keep some gap. Spread the pipes out. And at the end of each pipe, we're gonna attach a smaller ring like this. Color coordination is totally your choice. Alright, let's first join the circles. And with the yellow pipes, we're gonna join the adjacent rings like this. And then the next two. Then the next. 2 more to go. 1 more to go. All right. Readjust it so that it doesn't look crooked. Similarly, we're gonna make the lower portion of the lamp as well. So we're gonna take the bigger ring and 5 same color pipes. I'm taking blue color, you can choose your own. And one at a time, let's attach all of them to the ring. Let's keep similar gaps between them. Now we're gonna attach the smaller rings on all the edges. Like this. Alright. So now we have these rings here. Now we're gonna take 5 pipes. This time I'm gonna take the yellow color pipes and attach the adjacent rings like this. Alright, make sure it's steady and fixed. One more to go. Both are same shape, just a difference of size. Now we're gonna attach black pipes to all the rings on this bigger one, like this. Now let's attach the other edges of all the 5 pipes to the other smaller rings, like this. Now check everything is perfectly fixed and attached and won't come off. And make sure the structure is steady and it doesn't look crooked. So move it around a bit for the shape. It looks good now. Now let's make the stand. For which we're gonna take a white bigger ring and 5 pipes And we're gonna attach the pipes on the ring like this. And we're gonna attach 5 more pipes to create the base of the stand, like this. Now we're gonna attach the table lamp from the bigger ring on the pipes, like this. That's how our table lamp looks now, with the stand to keep it steady on the table. So our table lamp is ready! Yay! Hello friends! Today we are gonna make the shell family using the sand. We're gonna use active sand to make the shell family. Let's see what's inside. Pink active sand, orange active sand, let's take out the sand from the packets. Let's pour them out. Now let's open the pack of the molds. We have the molds. So this is a turtle. This is a turtle. This is a lobster. This is a crab. And this one here is an oyster. So let's get started. Let's take some pink sand and make the sea waves. And now some orange one. Make the waves going up and down. So here are the sea waves. Now let's take the turtle and fill in the sand in it. Let's take the orange one first. Fill the mold. Make sure you fill the entire hollow space. You can press it and see how much goes in there. Press it smoothly. And now turn it on the table counter like this. When you remove the mold, now let's make the lobster. Now let's pick the pink sand. Fill the mold, press it nicely. You can put as much as can accommodate. Fill up the hollow space completely. And turn it on the tabletop. Here's the lobster. Now let's make the crab. Now let's pick up the orange quicksand. Fill up the sand in the mold. Occupy the entire hollow space with the sand. Keep pressing it. Smoothen it. And then turn it on the tabletop like this. And now let's make some oyster. This is the shell. Fill the pink quicksand. Press it nicely. Fill up as much as it needs to be filled. And then turn it on the tabletop. So yes, here we have the shell family on the waves.